Hey Ernie, my name is Joyce and I'm with Grizzly Media Solutions. I work with Seth and Valerie. Valerie called over there and asked if I could send you a video, so I've put together this little short video for you to show you 3 things you guys can do today to help bring more customers to your business. And I know most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them, and I understand when there's hesitation about hiring a marketing or SEO company, it's hard to know who's an expert and who isn't. So by the end of this video, if you like what you've seen and heard, you can respond to our email or give us a call, talk to Seth. But if you get to the end of the video and you just want to implement these 3 things, the free attack plan that I'm giving you for yourself, then that's fine too. Then I've helped your business and I've done what I set out to do. So let me get right to it. Here are the 3 things that will set Minuteman apart from your competition, set you above. The first thing is content. So I pulled up your website here, took a look at how much content you have. It appears you probably have about 300 words, maybe a little more, depending on what's attached to all of these images, because there are words behind the images. I'm not sure how much you know about SEO. So that's definitely something that you could improve on. Google likes to see about 1,500 words or more to be able to index your site properly and get you ranked in the search results. So let's look at one of your competitors here. Excuse me. They have roughly 300 words or so, maybe 350, depending on what's, again, attached to all of their images. And that's very beatable. Boost yours to about 1,500 or so, and you could certainly outrank them. Now, part of content is not just the number of words, but the key words that you use. And I did a quick search, and probably the highest search is for Phoenix air conditioning. So I wanted to see if you guys are actually using that on your website. And there's a free tool. This is a web browser extension for Chrome. And absolutely free. Anybody can use it. I use it all the time. I love this tool. It's called SEO Quake. So I can actually look at the keywords being used on your website. These are just single words that pop up and how many times they repeat. And we're looking for Phoenix air conditioning. So let me go down here to the 3-word phrases. I'm not seeing, not seeing Phoenix air conditioning specifically. I see throughout the valley by itself, but we definitely want to use words that people are searching to find your business. So let's look at what your competition is using for keywords. As we come down here, they do have Phoenix AC heating 12 times on their site. And this is just the homepage. They do have Phoenix air conditioning misspelled, but people must be searching for that on occasion. They have Phonics air conditioning, excuse me. So yeah, really, they just have Phoenix AC heating. They're not hitting the keyword either. And if you added that several times on your homepage, then that and beefed up your content, you could certainly outrank them on Google. So content is the first thing. The second thing that I want to talk about is citations. A citation is when your business's name, address, and phone number is cited, a citation, in a directory online. So you may be in some HVAC, air conditioning, plumbing directories already, and those are probably giving you a citation as long as they match your Google listing. Let's take a look at that. So we can do that with another tool. This one is a website that you can subscribe to. This one is not free. I think the cheapest plan is $20 a month. I pay about $100 a month for this one. So I've got you pulled up next to your competition here. You actually have more citations than they do, but you're not in that map pack area. So name, address, and phone number out there in directories. What you can do with this is when you look at your competition, you can view sources and see where they're getting their citations from. And you can actually click on these and submit your citation to them directly so that you can get as many and more than what they have. Right now you have more than they have, which is a good start, but I'd like to see you have 200 to 300 citation sources if we're going to solidify your position in that map pack area. So let me explain what that is. Out of all of the search results that came up when I typed in Phoenix air conditioning, up here at the top we have the map and the listings under the map. And these listings get here through a number of factors, but really important to this area are those citations. What's interesting is one of the businesses that shows up for our area is out of Florida, but that's because their name is Phoenix Air Conditioning. So they use Phoenix Air Conditioning throughout their site, and their citations all say that, and that's how Google reads it, and they've wound up in the map pack taking up valuable real estate that you guys are all competing for in Phoenix and the surrounding areas. So citations are going to get you here, so that's really important. Now, the third thing that is important to getting you ranked on Google are backlinks. A backlink is when another website posts a link to your website. Now, you may be friends with some business owners around town, say the pizza place down the street, and he has a local business networking area on his website, so he lists your link. It's not going to hurt you to be on there, but it's not going to help you for Google. Google wants to see you as the authority. They want to see these backlinks coming from relevant websites. So, HVAC directories, plumbing directories, construction directories, even just business directories have more juice than a pizza place listing your link. So backlinks are really important to give you link juice, and they're going to get you listed in this organic area down below the maps. This is also important, but let me explain something. A third of all of the clicks on this page happen in the map pack. Then the results below, the number of clicks for each of these drops off dramatically the farther down you go. And what's interesting about this particular result is there are 2 paid ads. They're at the bottom. So these guys are getting very few clicks. In fact, the people up here at the top, the businesses up here at the top of these results are getting more clicks than these paid ads. And as you know, paid ads are expensive. What are they going for? I can tell you up here. Looks like $18.75 cost per click for Phoenix air conditioning. That's expensive. By the way, there were 720 searches for Phoenix air conditioning in the last month. So that's business you're missing out on by not having that keyword on your website and using it effectively. So make sure you get that in there, get your citations boosted, additional citations, 200 to 300 really optimally, but anything more is going to help. And you want to get in these organic listings with link juice, backlinks. So those are the 3 things you need to do to set your business above the competition, and I would love to see you do it. If you want to use the information I gave you, this free attack plan, I'm glad that you're doing that, and I hope that it works really well for you because I love helping businesses. But if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself some time and, any learning curve that there may be with this, you can contact us at Grizzly Media Solutions. Seth, this is his direct line actually, so you can give Seth a call there and we can talk about the options with you. My name's Joyce. It's been a pleasure making this screencast for you. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, Ernie.